Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back. I am so glad to see you here for another video. Today we are unboxing a mystery box of TJ Maxx returns. This is a box I bought from Jomar Wholesale. If you watch my videos, you know I love ordering Jomar Wholesale boxes for my reselling business. I've been reselling on eBay for 10 years, and I've been on Poshmark for 3 years. I sell digital products over on Etsy. I sell mostly clothes and fashion on eBay and Poshmark, but I've never seen a TJ Maxx returns box, so I'm really excited to see what's in store for me in this mystery box. If you want to check out Jomar, I highly recommend just going over to their website and checking them out. They've got so much to choose from at Jomar. You can get small boxes of 10 items, or you can get entire pallets. You can get vintage, you can get new with tag, you can get flawed items, designer, kids. Like, they just have anything that you might want to resell online for profit. You can find a box for it. If you head over there, make sure to use my discount code, The Grateful Queen, all one word, for a discount on your Jomar purchase. Now let's get into the details of this box. We'll open it up and I'll go through and show you what I got to sell online. This box is called New with Tag / New Without Tag TJ Maxx Assorted 20 items. The cost on this box is normally $140, but I used a discount. Always use someone's discount code. I have a link in the description, a discount link, and The Grateful Queen, all one word, is my discount code. I earn points, you guys get a discount, it's a win-win, and I appreciate anyone who helps me out by using that affiliate link. So, and then there's shipping, and depending on where you live, I'm in Northern California, they're in Philly, so your location is going to determine how much the shipping cost is or what size of your item. My total was $145.70 for these 20 pieces, so I will pop up on the screen how much each item cost.
I'm on a roll today, baby!
If you're new to the channel, please know I include the bloopers at the end of the video. It's a chance for you to see how real I keep it over here on the channel, all the bloopers I make, and we get to laugh together. So I'll see you at the end for the bloopers. Okay, let's pull this out. I don't know exactly what to expect. I've never seen a TJ Maxx return box for sale, so this is good. This is Zara Basic. I will show you tags, and if there's something to learn about an item, maybe comps, or if it looks like a particularly good item, I'll let you know. So this is a new with tag women's Zara blazer in a size 6. Here's the tag. So cute, like a gray classic blazer. I'm really hoping that in the fall, blazers start selling again. During the pandemic time, blazers did not sell. So I'm hoping this year, I'm filming this in August 2021. I'm hoping this fall, maybe people are gonna need career wear again. This is Love Tree. It's new with tags. Chic and cozy premium quality by Love Tree. I'm not familiar with this brand. If you know anything about the brands, help us out, help out your reseller community, and leave some information in the comments for us. This is a super soft white sweater. Really soft, but look at the sleeve detail. See how it's almost like a cap sleeve? And then it goes down to a balloon sleeve. 2021 has been all about the sleeves. Bell sleeve, ruffle sleeve, crochet, lace, any kind of fun sleeve, ruffle. I love it. I mean, I'm a Northern California girl, so, oh, and speaking of Northern California girl, here's some linen. I live for linen. These are linen pants, an elastic waist. They're by the brand Rachel Roy. Not a brand I like go out there looking for, but cute. Do these have any tags on them? So these do not, I don't see a new with tag, but they appear to be new. 100% linen. I love linen as a California girl. The print on this is super cute. It's black with a floral. Look at that print, baby. Super cute, but has a major flaw. That is too bad because it's so cute. I love the black with the floral. It's got a great bell sleeve. It's by the brand Fever. Don't really know much about that brand, but look at the sleeve. Like, did someone return it because they wore it once and the sleeve broke, or because I don't think I can sell an item like that. I wonder if I could cut it right here and just keep it myself because it's super cute top. So yeah, I guess we can expect some damaged items in a box like this. Maybe they returned it with some damage. So I sell some damaged items. Like if it's a really great item and it's valuable and it has a little hole or a stain, I might sell it and just note that it has hole or stain or some flaw. But an item that's not worth a whole lot, I don't think it's necessarily worth selling. How do you guys handle that? Ooh, we have a jumpsuit. I love a good jumpsuit. Oh, that's so cute. It's a gray and pink striped jumpsuit, and look at all that ruffle detail. Comes all the way down to a very wide leg, has an adjustable tie belt. Let's check the brand. So this is Exhilaration. Exhilaration is sold at Target. What's great is that it's a size large, and larger sizes tend to really sell better for me. This is super cute. It's like a silky blouse, green with giant polka dots, and it's new at tag, but oddly, it seems damaged, very damaged. Like there's all sorts of pulls. Like this is probably not something I would resell. It's Zara, so a decent brand, but it's got all these pulls. Is it actual silk or is it just polyester? Too bad, because that's really cute, but polyester but feels like silk. But I can't really sell that because it's really not in good shape. Oh well, I guess I have to keep it. I love keeping stuff. I probably shouldn't say that, but it's like, ooh, a Free People top. You guys know that's my favorite brand. But I'm a reseller who's okay with keeping things that I love, because I just turn things over in my personal closet all the time. So I'll get a few new things, and I'll take a few things out and I'll resell them. It's one of the major perks of this job, I think. I just totally love doing that. Wow, this is super oversized as usual. So this is Free People. We the Free is what it says on that tag. It's another line of Free People. This is a super oversized top, but it's like velour. I'll put it up close to the camera. Can you kind of see that it's like raised velvet? I love that. It's huge. Free People is often really oversized, friends. So I'm looking in the body of the garment at the tag because I'm always looking for this number here. The number that says OB and a long number. I'll put that into Google. I'll get the style name and a stock photo for this awesome Free People top. This feels so good. What is this? I don't know. 21 Saints. This is super cute. So the Free People did not have a nude tag. This does not have a nude tag. I don't know this brand, 21 Saints, but style-wise, this is great because it's tie-dye. I think it's tie-dye or cloud print or something. It is really, really soft. Like uber soft, kind of a cropped length sweatshirt with a... Is there a knot in the front? No, it's just got an elastic hem. Like this would be so comfy, and I think that's really on trend. So I don't see tags or anything or flaws on that. Now we've got some pants at the bottom. So, oh no, this is a skirt. How unusual. I mean, wait till I show you. This totally gives me 90s vibes, this skirt, because I swear when I was in high school in the 90s, this is the sort of thing people wore. It's a denim skirt, but it's like a midi length. I can't get the button done. I wanted to for you, but I just can't manage it. It's like a denim skirt, but it's sort of like a midi length by Zara. So it's tiny. What size is this baby? Extra small. So it's like a long denim skirt, like midi length, high waist, mom rise type thing. I bet you that's super in style, but because everyone was wearing it when I was a teenager, I just can't. I just can't. Democracy size 6, Ab Technology. Now, again, this is not necessarily a brand I go crazy looking for, but I have heard that Democracy denim, I think especially the men, sells really well on Poshmark. These are like a mid-rise elastic waist. Could they be maternity? Or no, maybe that's why they say Ab Technology. Maybe this elastic waist is supposed to hold you in and your abs. No tags on that, but they look to be in excellent shape. I'm always reaching over awkwardly for the box. Maybe I'll take a few things at once. One awkward reach, and then I'll have a few things on my lap to share with you. Jones, New York, size XL, new at tag for $69. This is like a more mature women's brand, but this is just like a sweater camisole. It's like a camisole, maybe you'd wear a cardigan or something over it in black. It's great that it's size XL and it feels 100% merino wool. So that's really good. This will sell because it's a classic like career staple piece. It's an XL, and merino wool does well. Merino wool is a thinner, finer wool. So if you're at the thrift store and you're looking, check for little tiny holes, but a new tag item should be okay. Mystery. Okay, this feels awesome. Ooh, I love this. This is by Tahari. It's a size small. There are different lines of Tahari. Some of them are higher end than others. I think Ellie Tahari is the higher end one. This is so cute. It's just a gray soft pullover, but it has this ruffle detail here at the shoulder. Isn't that super cute? I might keep that. That feels amazing. $58 was retail price. It just feels so soft, and I love that ruffly detail. This looks cute. This is a long cardigan from the brand Scooter. Look at this tag, and it has a partial nude tag from Marshalls. I think Marshalls and TJ Maxx are like the same. I think this might be a Junior's brand, Scooter. And it's a long open front cardigan in a white and pink stripe. Pretty cute there. I like this box. It's a real mix of sizes, styles, brand. It's really great to get some new tag items, friends, getting ready to go into the fall winter quarter, because people shop a lot for gifts for people for the holidays, back to school, back to work, change of season wardrobe. People are shopping. I like to have new tags. Caution to the wind, size medium, no new tags on here. Like a black and white stretchy top with a knotted front. The crop tops, like a shorter length, are still really in style. Ooh, something animal print. I love seeing animal print because it has been very popular. Gaze, size extra small. This is so cute. I think this might also be like a Junior's brand, Gaze. And it's a stretchy animal print top, but look at that hem. This is called like a baby doll style when it comes down like that and then sort of flares out.
Like, that's the worst description ever, when it comes down like that and sort of flares out.
Curve appeal, baby. No idea on this brand. Size 6. Jeans, like a cropped jean in a neutral color. Has a little slit at the end. Those look like comfy and stretchy, but I don't know about curve appeal. Okay, I got a few more things. I'm excited I got new tag stuff and Free People, and I love that Tahari ruffle top. Let's see how we do. We have a number more items here. Ooh, Tommy Hilfiger new tag. Retail for $59. This is cute. It is a navy blue with white giant polka dots sweater. Size small. Some new tag jeans by the brand Smith & Mills Denim. What a pretty tag. I've never heard of it. Have you guys? Is it... I think these are men's, which is actually better. I did my pocket test, and it has a nice, long, deep pocket, which is what the gentlemen get. Look at this tag, though. Smith & Mills. And this has this nice canvas tag. And these are a men's size 29 pair of jeans. Men's jeans sells great. I just put out a video, friends. I just put out a video about selling men's. I did an unboxing again from Jomar with all this men's stuff, and there's a lot of money to be made in men's. I really think so. Uh-oh. This does not look good. Ew. How could this be? It's Nude Tag Grace Element size 12 dress. And it's Nude Tag, and it's like a black dress with these leather accents, but the leather is all peeling. So how would that happen if it's Nude Tags? Like, I definitely can't sell this. This is like, too bad. It's a cute dress and a size 12 would be good. But the leather, look at that. Would someone wear it with the new tag on it? How does that even happen? That's not good. Not good at all. Oh no, it's ended too quickly and I've had so much fun. Okay, this is a really cute, I don't know what it is. Let me see. Oh, is it a skirt? Is it a skirt? Oh, it is. I love this denim. Look at the skirt, you guys. It's like a denim chambray skirt. It's a wrap front with a ruffle. And it's by the brand Japna. Size small. Here's what that tag looks like. So that's a super cute piece. So there you go. What do you guys think of the TJ Maxx returns box? I'll definitely make some money. I love having Nude Tags stuff in my store, and I appreciate you for watching this video with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Okay. I didn't know that exhilaration was exhilaration. That's kind of hard to say. Exhilaration, exhilaration, exhilaration. Yeah. Use it or don't use it. It's up to you. Try that again. Baby doll hem. I don't know how to describe a baby doll hem. It's like a drop waist and then, is it pleating, ruffling? I don't know. Baby doll hem. I have a feeling I've got a weird hair thing going on. I do. I can feel it. There we go. So I started recording this whole video and I didn't have my lights on. I'm like, why does the screen look weird? Well, you have no lights. Like, you're sitting in the dark. So I'll record my intro over again.